Hi, Farmer Dean. Worst cooking oils you should throw out of your kitchen. So we all grew up with this, vegetable oil. There's 4 different types of oils that we shouldn't be using: corn oil, sapphire oil, canola oil, and soybean oil. Couple reasons. One is they're all processed under very high heat, okay, and consequently they form a lot of free radicals that inflames your body. Throw them out of your kitchen and go to some different oils. I personally love avocado oil. It's a high heat point oil, so you can fry in it, you can cook in it, you can do anything that you want to with it. For low cooking, for sauteing at low temperature, you can use olive oil. If you like butter, so butter is another high heat smoke point, and that really works out good. For flavor, if you want some flavor to like vegetables, lard works really well. You want to make sure it's non-GMO, organically grown, by the way. So those are 4 really good oils that you should have in your kitchen. You shouldn't have corn, soybean, sapphire, or canola in your pantry.